Astrid. Astrid. Where's Mom gonna get? Astrid. There's no place for me to get in bed. Where's Mom gonna get? Huh? Brielle's over there under the covers somewhere. Okay, so I've been pushed out of my bed. Let me see, what's this? So have I been pushed out of my bed? Huh? So where am I supposed to sleep? Oh, you want me to sleep in your bed? Do you want me to sleep in your bed? Okay. All right, that's fine. Mom will go sleep in your bed. No problem. Oh, you're so happy. All right, fine. Love and hugs, y'all. Astrid. Astrid. Astrid, where am I supposed to sleep? Huh? There's Brielle's under there somewhere. Where am I supposed to sleep? Astrid, can I get in bed? Please, I'm cold. Well, I squeezed in on the edge again. Well, we got a cold front last night. It's cold and raining. She hates the cold. She did go out potties real quick. All right, so this is where we're gonna be. This is the deal. All right, fine.